Now, if you've driven Interstate 45, you've likely never stopped and might not have even noticed Centerville. That is, unless you were stopping into its most famous highway attraction. I'm talking about Woody's Smokehouse. It was a mega gas station before mega gas stations were cool. And this is Woody's son, Brock Beamer.
All right, Brock, so Woody's is a little more than a gas station.
Yeah, just a little bit. I know my mom always said that we were like 6, 7 businesses in one with meat counter, barbecue, deli, convenience store, gift shop.
Every day, thousands flood into Woody's for fuel, restrooms, home decor, even pickled quail eggs. But let us not forget about their true claim to fame as the Jerky Capital of the world.
All right, so how many kinds of jerky?
So we have about 11 in the case, from the venison, spicy venison, buffalo, spicy buffalo.
Can I try some of them?
Yeah, so my favorite, honestly, is the sweet and spicy beef.
Okay. Oh, that's good, man. Get you a bucket of that in the console all day. Here we go. It's the snack size.
Sometimes I think we go on road trips just for the snacks. And that is totally okay. Brock's sister actually runs the Woody's on the other side of the highway, and it can be just as packed.
Mr. Wood had a good vision.
No doubt.
Catching everybody going both directions, he's got you.
So you literally grew up running around this place.
I'd come to work with them during lunch. I'd have a little apron that had my name on it, and I'd wipe trays for tips.
That's awesome.
Today, Brock's running much more than cleaning crew. He's smoking meat, and there is a lot of it.
I know on this one we have some of the ribs.
Okay. Ooh, there we go. Now, are y'all known more as like a rib house, chicken house, brisket house? What like?
Back when I guess we first started, it was mostly the ribs and brisket. Now it's just grown. They all sell so much.
Okay.
Brock's also one of the few people that knows the family secrets.
Woo! Where the recipes come from for this?
So that comes from Mr. Wood himself. It all came from his brain that he taught to me and a couple other guys to make.
Oh, is that like the secret formula for Coke? Like,
yeah.
You only know half of it and someone else only knows half of it except for Mr. Wood?
These pits run on a combination of charcoal and hickory. I tell you, this is way different from many of the craft barbecue joints we usually visit. At Woody's, like on the Interstate, the goal is speed.
Y'all don't want that 2-hour wait going out your door.
No, it's all about efficiency.
Yeah.
Get them in, make them happy, and then send them down the highway.
Nice.
It's our summer sausage right now that we have smoking.
Oh, I like it. So if I stand in this room, I get smoked?
No, we got this safety knob. You can get out.
Oh, dang. I was like,
wait, you want to get smoked?
yeah, I mean, you know, it's a good way to go. Like, if you were gonna go getting smoked next to a big wall of sausage, it's not bad.
I'd probably be a little chewy. Besides, they've already got plenty of meat ready to serve up.
All right, you know, man cannot live on jerky alone. So, barbecue. I guess technically probably man could live on jerky alone. Okay, I gotta get some boudin. Let me get a sausage as well, a couple poppers. Yeah. Let's do a couple pork ribs, a slice of fatty brisket, and then let's do a pork chop. That's not bad. Call that the Woody sampler platter. I think I've got like a sampling of the entire animal kingdom here. We've got some beef, some pork, we got some venison, some elk sausage, and then inside the poppers we even have shrimp. See, it's Woody's Smokehouse. They'll smoke anything dead. Well, fancy gas station charcuterie. Oh, that's good. I'm amazed at the number of people that have come in and gone through that line. Like, in hours, I don't think that line behind me has stopped at all. I gotta try this pork chop. You come in here expecting to get yourself some jerky and a soda pop, and you leave loaded up on real deal Texas barbecue. Pretty good pit stop.
Oh, Chet, there's only one thing you're missing. Some spicy pickled quail eggs.
Oh my gosh. All right, you're doing it with me. Okay. It's everything I ever dreamed it would be. It's like a boiled egg and a pickled jalapeno had a baby together.
Hey.
Hey, not bad?
That's not too bad.
I tell you, it's amazing the things you can find at a gas station in Centerville.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.